Hello students, welcome to JC Learning Lab. In last video, we have learned the basic concepts of lines and angle. We'll continue the basic concepts in this video, and first we'll start from the adjacent angles and linear pair of angles. Most of the students get confused with this adjacent and linear pair of angles. Say adjacent angle means, consider this one as an example. We have two angles. So first angle, it is named as DBC, angle DBC, and you can see one more angle, that is ABD, A, B and D. These are the two angles. These two angles, to be adjacent angle, there is a condition, that is both the angles should have the common vertex. So here in these two, which is the common vertex? For angle 1, B is the common vertex, and also for angle 2, B is the common vertex. So we have B as a common vertex, and it should have a common arm. One arm should be common in both the angles. For angle 1 and 2, this ray BD is common. BD is common arm. And next, non-common arm should be in the opposite direction. Next condition is non-common arm should be in different sides of common arm. Okay, it should be a different side. Then we call these two angles as adjacent angles. Next, coming to the linear pair of angle, it is very similar to the adjacent angle. Here the two angles are, first one is ABD and angle DBC. These are the two angles, and both the angle has the common vertex. So the common vertex is B here, and common arm, the common arm is BD, and non-common arm should be straight line. Okay, this is the condition for linear pair of angle, that is equal to 180 degree. You can see the difference here, the non-common arms. So these are the non-common arm. This non-common arm is not forming a straight line, it is not forming a 180 degree, therefore it is an adjacent angle. Here the non-common arm, that is AB and BC, it is forming a straight line which is equal to 180 degree. So we call it as a linear pair of angle. Next we see intersecting and non-intersecting lines. What do you mean by intersecting line? I will consider two lines, not line segment, two lines. So I will name this line as L, and I will take one more line and I will name it as M. So these two lines meeting at a one point, it meeting at a common point, I will name it as O. Then we call these two lines, that is L and M, are intersecting line. Non-intersecting lines means two lines, I will name it as X and Another line I will name it as Y. These two lines are not meeting each other. So it is non-intersecting lines. If two lines never meet, then we call it as a non-intersecting. Here in this case it is a parallel line. Here two lines it is meeting at a one point and we call it as an intersecting lines. Now look at this theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Already I have explained the basic of this intersecting line. So this is the intersecting line. If two lines intersect, okay, we'll name this. I will name this line as AB. Here I will name it as CD, and the point where it is intersecting is, I will name it as O. If two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angle. What do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Means consider this angle. Name of this angle is AOD. Name of this angle is AOD. Vertically opposite. So opposite to this, the angle we have COB. COB. We have to prove that these two angles are equal. Okay. If the measure of this angle AOD is 60 degree, means then the measure of the angle COB will be equal to 60 degree. Similarly, AOC, for the angle AOC, the vertically opposite angle is BOD. So these two angles will be equal. We need to prove this. Now come, let's prove the theorem. So here what is given? So the given data is AB is intersecting CD at point O. At point O, these two lines are intersecting. If it is intersecting, we need to prove. So to prove, we have to do it. AOD equals COB and AOC equals BOD. We need to prove this. Now for easy understanding, I will take it as angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now CD is a straight line, right? CD is a straight line. If we add these two angles, we should get 180 degree, because we have learned the concept of linear pair of angle. These two are linear pair of angle. So we should get 180 degree. So now we have to write that. We'll start the proof. That is first angle AOC plus angle AOD equals 180 degree. Consider it as equation number 1. Why we are getting 180 degree? Because both are linear pair of angle. Next, similarly, AB is a line. AB is a line. Here in this case, we considered CD as a line, right? Now AB is a straight line. So AOD plus BOD, it should be equal to 180 degree. Consider that as equation number 2. So now these two angles, if we are adding, we should get 180 degree, because AB is a straight line. So reason for this is linear pair of angle. Now consider equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, you can see here in right hand side, that is RHS, we have 180 equal, which means LHS should be equal. AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. So in the both side we have angle AOD common. If you shift this AOD to LHS, it will become minus and it will get subtracted. Now what is remaining? Angle AOC equal angle BOD. See, we have proved this. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Similarly, angle AOD will be equal to angle COB. Hence, we have proved the theorem. Hope you have understood the concept. If you have understood the concept, don't forget to like, comment and share the channel. Thank you.